Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to add this animation to your Blogger homepage. So let's get started. Now I have already shown you how to design this from scratch using HTML and CSS. So if you want to learn how to create this animation, you can watch those videos. I will also leave the link of the source code in the description of this video, so you can just copy and paste the code to your website. Now this is the Blogger website where we're going to add the animation. First of all, let me go to the dashboard and I'll show you the theme that I'm using. So if you go to themes, here we can see the theme that I'm using is Notable Light. So if you scroll down, it comes by default with Blogger. And I also created a page called Home. So here we can see we have this page called Home. And we don't have any content in the page as of now. And I have also set a custom redirect so that the home page will redirect to this custom home page. So here you can see this is the custom home page. If you go to the main page of our website and if you click on this logo over here, we can see that it's redirecting to this page that we created. Now to create a custom redirect, you have to go over here to the settings. So let's click on settings and you have to scroll down and you have to find this option called custom redirects. And if I click on that, I already have this custom redirect. We are going from the home page to this page right here. So you can just click on add and here you can just type / and in the to section you can just copy everything from here and paste it over here. And then just click on OK and then click on save. So you will have this custom redirect. Once you add this custom redirect, whenever someone goes to the home page of your website, they'll be redirected to this page right here. Alright, now let's go ahead and customize this page and add this animation to our home page. Now I already have a video on how to customize a page inside the Notable theme. So I will leave the link of the video in the description of this video, so you can just go ahead and check that out. And in that video, I have shown you how to delete all these elements from here using CSS and how to add a different home page. But we're just going to copy some of the code from that video and we're going to add it to our page. So let's go over here to pages and let's go to the home page. And here I'll just create a style tag. So you can just go over here to the HTML view. And here I'll just type style and close it over here. Right now here in the style tag, we will copy the code from that video. So here's the code from the video where we customized the page from the Notable theme. Now this CSS will work only for the Notable theme, and I will also leave the link of this code in the description of this video. Now what we are doing over here is that we are selecting some of the elements from the page and we are just setting the display to none so that it's hidden, and we are also resetting the margins, the paddings and things like that. Now in the video I have explained every line of code and how it works, so you can just use the same method and use it for any other theme you have. Right, now that we have copied this CSS, let's update this and let's go back to our page and let's refresh this page. And now here we can see we don't have any elements on this page, and now we can add our own custom design over here. So I'll just open the source code and I'll just copy all this HTML from here and I'll just paste it over here inside the page. So I'll just go outside the style tag and I'll just paste the HTML over here. And now we also need to paste the CSS. So let's go back and let's go to the style.css file and I'll just copy everything from here and let's go to the style tag, and here after all of this CSS I'll just add our CSS for the design. Alright, now the last thing we need to do is add the images. So if we go over here to the HTML, here we can see first of all we have this SVG, so I'll just fold this, and then we have the sky image, the buildings image and the road image. So I'll just make some space over here and I'll just insert the images over here and I'll just get the link from there and paste it over here. So let's click on insert image and click on upload from computer, and then I'll click on choose files, and here we have all the images. So I'll just select all the PNGs from here. We already have the SVG added to the HTML, so I'll just click on open and I'll just select all the images and click on select, and here we'll select original size and click on OK. So here we have the images and we also have the links over here. So I'll just copy this link from here. So this is the link for the buildings image. And if you scroll down, we can see that we have this buildings image over here. So I'll just select this and just delete this. And here we'll paste our updated link. I'll just do the same with all the other images. Now here we have the link of the road image. So I'll just copy this and paste it over here. And then lastly, we have this image over here for the sky. Alright, now that we have added all the images, let's delete all these images from here. And now let's click on update. And now let's go back to our home page and let's refresh this page. And here we can see we have the animation in our homepage of the Blogger website. So that's how you can add animation to your Blogger homepage. So that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.